Welcome to the House Tours Plug YouTube channel, and if not yet subscribed to this channel, take a second and subscribe to it. This newly built mansion taking the Georgian airwaves by a shock belongs to the famous filmmaker called Tyler Perry. His story of resilience from being brought up in a poor family in Louisiana to being the most sought after on the screens is worth encouraging. He started building this incredible mansion since 2013 and it's now almost complete for occupancy. It is evaluated to be more than a whopping $100 million, hence setting Tyler among the top billionaires with a net worth of over $1 billion. It is strategically located in Atlanta, Georgia, sitting on an expansive 12,000 acres piece of land in Douglasville. It boasts of 40,000 square feet of living room space with 12 bathrooms and 8 bedrooms. One of the unique features about this opulent mansion is that it features a private jet hangar which will allow smooth landing and takeoff of various aeroplanes at Perry's residence. Congratulations to him, and leave your comments below on when you expect it to be opened officially for occupancy. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our new upcoming exclusive house tours. See you then!